About this item: high quality metal lens and focusing barrel, industrial grade material, brings you an unparalleled focusing feel and a durable and solid product experience. Microscope with endoscope all around view 360-degree, equipped with the endoscope for clear observation of the sides of components, the inside of pipes, etc., enabling 360 degrees observation without dead angles. Professional HDMI digital microscope supports multiple output methods. Ultra high definition 2160p video record, 10.1-inch IPS screen while supporting HDMI output, allows you to see a more microscopic world and free your eyes all the time. Professional digital microscope supports multiple output methods: HDMI output, PC output, endoscope not supported, Wi-Fi output. Soldering microscope with Pro metal stand equipped with Andonstar's newest upgraded Pro bracket, size 7.8 13-inch. The angle of the bracket is adjustable front and rear, and it can be rotated 360 degrees horizontally. The larger metal base plate and the higher working distance can meet your needs for repairing larger circuit boards. Strong metal material, suitable for high temperature environments such as soldering. Unique UV filter designed. A UV filter is equipped in front